Hey, what's up? This is Xiaomi Mi Box S, and today we have unboxing and full review of this gadget. Xiaomi Mi Box S is the latest Android TV box from the Chinese manufacturer. In fact, Mi Box S is the same Mi Box 4, but it runs on stock Android TV. We already made a review of Xiaomi Mi Box 4. You can watch this video by the link in description. Mi Box S has the same design, remote control, processor and memory as Mi Box 4, but its main feature is stock Android TV with multi-language support, Google Assistant, YouTube, Netflix and other popular services. From other side, Mi Box S is more expensive than Mi Box 4. Let's compare these TV boxes and find out which one you should buy. By the way, in description you can find useful information about these TV boxes and links where to buy them cheaper. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The first difference between Mi Box S and Mi Box 4 is package. New TV box is designed for international market, so all inscriptions on the box are in English. Here you can see the image of TV box, pre-installed apps, etc. On side you can find a brief tutorial how to set up, attach Mi Box to TV using HDMI cable, connect to Wi-Fi network and start streaming. On the back of the box you can read about main features of Xiaomi Mi Box S, such as Dolby Audio System, Chromecast built-in, 4K Ultra HD and HDR, Google Assistant and others. Inside the box you will find a TV box of black color. By the way, Mi Box S comes in only black color option, while Mi Box 4 is only white color. Also, there is user manual in English. HDMI cable, remote control, power adapter, and a couple of battery for remote control. Very nice. Now let's take a look at TV box. Xiaomi Mi Box S is made of matte plastic, and there is only glossy Mi logo on the top. As I already said, Mi Box S is available only in black color. TV box has a square shape with dimensions of 9.5 by 9.5 cm. The thickness is only 1.6 cm, so it is pretty compact and lightweight TV box. There is nothing from the three sides, while on the back are all connectors such as power plug, USB-A, HDMI and 3.5mm audio jack. As you can see, there is no Ethernet port or slot for TF memory cards. Also, Xiaomi Mi Box S doesn't have holes for ventilation, so most likely TV box is not very powerful. We will check the performance a little later. If we talk about the remote control, it is made from the same materials as TV box. The remote control doesn't differ from other TV boxes and TVs from Xiaomi. However, there is a voice control button, which is very nice. You can use the remote control for Google Assistant and other voice control functions. Also, there are dedicated Netflix and Live buttons. So the main difference in design between Mi Box S and Mi Box 4 is color. Mi Box S is available only in black color option. The design, connectors, remote control are the same between these TV boxes. Talking about specifications, Xiaomi Mi Box S also has the same hardware as Mi Box 4. It is powered by Cortex-A53 chipset, Mali 450 GPU, 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal memory. As I already said, there is no slot for memory card, so you can expand the storage with only USB flash drive. However, Mi Box S supports 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi bands, while Mi Box 4 has only 2.4G Wi-Fi. This is a really important feature. Also, new TV box supports Bluetooth 4.2. The device is able to play 4K video at 60 fps and supports Chromecast media player. Now it's time to talk about main feature of Xiaomi Mi Box S stock Android TV. As you know, most Xiaomi TV boxes and TVs run on MIUI TV user interface. This is a terrible user interface only in Chinese and a lot of advertising. Xiaomi Mi Box S runs on stock Android 8.1 operating system and it is great. The main screen of user interface offers to choose pre-installed apps. There is Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, etc. The settings menu of Android TV is similar to settings on Android smartphone. Here you can set up sound, apps, wallpaper, memory and other options. Also, you can change the language, time, keyboard, etc. One of the main features of Xiaomi Mi Box S is Google Assistant. This is Voice Control Assistant. You don't need to enter any apps, just press the button on the remote control and say the command, for example, play Mi Box 4 review. It is awesome! You can also use voice control to Google search, for example, what is the weather in New York? Or who plays Iron Man? In general, if you already have Android TV or another TV box with stock Android TV OS, then you're already familiar with user interface. In fact, there is nothing from Xiaomi. It is completely stock operating system from Google. Now I want to test the performance of this TV box. First, I want to install Antutu and compare result with Mi Box 4. I want to recall that Mi Box 4 scores about 24,000 points in Antutu benchmark. As for new Xiaomi Mi Box S, it scores 27,000 points. As you can see, the TV box on stock Android is a little more powerful than Mi Box 4 with Chinese user interface. What about games? Can you play games on this TV box? I have installed Asphalt Extreme and it runs pretty well. As you understand, you will need to connect Bluetooth gamepad or the regular keyboard as me to play games on TV box. Other simple games, such as Crossy Road, also run very well. The manufacturer says that Xiaomi Mi Box S supports 4K video playback. Let's check it out. I don't have 4K TV, so I just play 4K on my monitor. As you can see, it really runs and I don't see any problems. By the way, I want to test Wi-Fi speed. Xiaomi Mi Box S doesn't have Ethernet port, so you can only use Wi-Fi. The internet connection is very good, about 20 megabit per second. So it was unboxing and review of Xiaomi Mi Box S. Yes, the design, remote control and hardware are almost the same as Mi Box 4, but Mi Box S has one big advantage: stock Android TV. There are Google services such as Play Store, YouTube, and even Voice Assistant. Also, you can use any language you want, instead of only Chinese in Mi Box 4. I think it is worth paying $20 more for Mi Box S and get full international TV box. I will leave the links in description where to buy Xiaomi TV boxes. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time!